Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at IAM policies a little bit closer here, and they are written in JSON and contain the permissions which determine the API actions that are allowed or denied. And rarely do I write these out by hand because they have a little wizard that you can use to write out the code for you. But if you want to, you absolutely can write it out by hand, but we should know the contents of it and how these JSON files work. So the first thing is the version, which is the policy language version, and it's been 2012 for a very long time. I don't see that changing anytime soon. If they happen to change what the structure of the JSON is, then you have the statements, and these are for policy elements, and you're allowed to have multiples of them. So the idea is that this is the policies or permissions, we should say, that you plan on applying. Then you have the SID. This is a way of labeling your statements. This is useful for like visualization or for referencing it for later on, but a lot of times you don't have to have a SID. Then there's the effect. It's either allow or deny. Then you have the action. So here we're saying give access to S3 for all actions under it. There's another action down below where it's saying give access. I'm gonna get my pen tool out here just to create a service link role. So that's a cross account role there. Then there's the principal. So this is the account, user, role, or federated user to which you would like to allow access or deny. So we're specifically saying this IAM user named Barkley in our AWS account there. Then there are the resources. So the resources to which the action applies. So in this one up here, we are specifying a specific AWS bucket. Here we're saying all possible resources in an AWS account. And then the condition. So there's all sorts of different kinds of conditions. So this is a string-like one, and it's saying, look at the service name, and if it starts with this or that, then they'll have access to that. So this person, even though it says all resources, they're really only going to have access to RDS, okay?